Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the download limits in Instapaper. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the three dots there. After that you can just press on the settings and you can scroll down and press on advanced. Now you can just press on download limits and you can see here the home, light and archive options, and you can just manage these options here. And after that you can just simply leave and any change that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.